Howdy guys, welcome to another one. We're in our camp. I'm gonna go outside a minute, I'll show you. We have at least 2.5 feet of snow. At the deepest we have 3. Coca-Cola. It's bad. And we need to close the camp up, and our propane ran out, so our furnace shut off, so our line's probably frozen and burst under the camp. So that's bad. But we gotta heat the camp up so we can see if it's frozen. And if it is frozen, that makes our job here a bit easier, but in the long run a lot harder because we have to fix all lines. But fingers crossed, it's under the camp's been warm enough because it's just exercise. Actually, you feel like I'm one thing you could get better at, but if you get really good at it, like last year, I got really good at it. On Eli's old channel before I got deleted because YouTube's really stupid. Why is there a black bar? The other problem is I have big ones. Guys, just went got a bite to eat, and now I have to do something I don't want to do. Hey guys, we've been just hanging out. Tomorrow's a big day. We gotta do a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna probably just watch a little bit of a show and then go to bed. So see ya when we're going to bed. Good night, guys. I'm going to bed. See you in the morning. Bye. Guys, it's around 7 right now. Got a screwdriver.
Yeah, from last year. Christopher found what we had and he hooked it. We need to go. Alright. You bundled up, you can go.
I'm more fun than anyone else, but
Let's take this off real quick. Off of there. It's like a deer head. Brass deer head. I'll show you what we're going to be bringing home right now. We might be bringing home my uncle's mount. Come over here. We might be bringing home the boar head. That looks pretty creepy on camera without the light. It's a boar head. It's a wild boar. And then mule deer, antlers to the squirrels. Maybe the turkey, 2 sets of shelves. And then we gotta close the camp down, make sure there's no water. Bursted lines. So yeah. See you guys. We're gonna party. Okay. So the wheeler will not start. Pretty sure it's just cold out. Disconnect the charger. Disconnect the battery. Put those right there. Grab this and where's the tender at? Come over here. choke out. Hey guys, we are gonna go and start to clear the lines using the compressor, but first, there's two hatches, one right there, and one down over here. You can see we at least have a foot of snow there. That's at least a foot. Looks less on camera. Here's the second hatch. I'm gonna unlock it, so 1, 2, 3. There's the door. You wanna look under here? It's not much. Nothing crazy. It's kind of like storage. And there's drainage pipes up there. We got the we got water's turned off, draining all the lines right now. Then we gotta hook the air compressor up, blow all the lines, and then put antifreeze in the lines and pack up and we're out of here. I'll probably do one more snowshoeing thing in this video. But here's the doghouse. Oh, doghouse because it looks like one. But our pressure tank's in the ground out here. Just how we set it up. And the well's also in there. Kind of a weird design. My coat! Right now we're blowing water out of the lines. The compressor's outside, so we're pumping it in right from where the pressure tank is, so pretty much straight through it. Shut all the valves out except for the slop tank, and then we go to every valve in the house and blow it until there's no gurgling. Might take a bit. Water. Hey guys, we are under the camp now.
There should be a little bit of water that comes out.
This one and this one.
Turn them open. Yep, and the other one.
And the red one.
And that's it. Come on out.
The camp is drained.
Yep, it's done.
Okay guys, snowshoes on. We're gonna do a loop that way, down through the woods a little bit, and back up. See you when we're on the trail. Hey guys, we are packing up, and I'm in the truck. We're gonna hit the road, and I'll see you guys when we're back at the house.